On March 24th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for an exhaust making excessive noise.
Hello, Deputy Road, County Sheriff's Office. How you doing? The reason I'm stopping you is your exhaust. You can't have your exhaust
It's over.
any louder than the way it comes
I
from the
already know
factory.
it's over.
You got your driver's license, registration, insurance, and
I'm already knowing it's over. Them young niggas definitely don't got none of that shit.
I said it's a ticket for that, for the exhaust.
You could. I can tell you right now, I'm not giving you a ticket for it. Are you the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay. Put the car park, shut it off for me.
Man, they ain't stole
Give me the keys real quick.
Damn.
Yeah. Alright, just sit tight.
Boys gonna have to dash. Them niggas should book that shit if they know it ain't a stolen. Come on, bro. Damn.
So it smells like 31. Passenger has a big bulge in his pocket. He put his wallet. He was trying to pull something in there.
Draco, they ain't got that Drake in that pocket.
She wouldn't take down and search it.
Oh my god, bro, them young niggas be having them Drakes in their pockets, yo. Shit, here we go. Here we go.
For what? For what? She's over. I'll talk to her in a minute.
He trying to get his mom's on the phone. He trying to get his mom to cop out for him. That's how you know it's
So I'm pay you down for weapons or anything?
Say again?
So if I pay you down for weapons or anything?
Yeah.
Just turn around for me. What's your pocket right now?
This is a charger.
Anybody take off for me, put on the hood? Or just have a seat on the bumper holder?
Can I step out the question? This check spot.
Alright, so what I'm trying to figure out is, you have anything on you? Yes, sir. No weapons, nothing illegal on you? Yes, keys, pockets, sir. Come over here. I am, I'm sleeping. Come over here.
definitely got that drip.
You're right, yes, you don't have to test me, sir. Put your hands on the car. Zero.
What the fuck? Damn,
You're right, yes, you don't have to test me, sir. Put your hands on the
he
car.
trying to be all aggressive and tough on some bullshit.
Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing that.
Don't move.
I just did all that extra bullshit for no reason, bro. Come on, bro. They didn't even pat him down for real.
Something slipped on the front of his pants. I saw it.
Man, that nigga got that motherfucking, probably got that switchy.
How old are you?
Damn.
How old are you?
19 bullshit.
Just got caught up. Damn, they got that young nigga.
Yeah, any other weapons on you? So you got on you? In a minute. I'll get my big mom. Yeah. For what? 100%. Yeah. You're 19 years old and you got a handgun on you.
You think he really bad?
And you're reaching in your pocket while you're walking towards
100%.
them. We're not good.
I don't even get it. What law does that nigga break?
I'm not bothering anybody. I ain't messing with no one.
Is he?
No, man.
Did they find out that he's not a registered gun owner? How do they know he's not a registered gun owner? You know what I'm saying? Like, what
He's the
law?
one that
You know what I'm
pulled you
saying?
over.
Come on now.
Okay? You're 19 years old, you got a handgun in your waistband, and I'm pretty sure it has a switch on it.
Switch.
Yeah. You know what that is.
Switch. Why he say you know what that? Whoa, what the fuck? Hey, slow down, nigga. What the fuck does that mean? Oh hell no, that nigga. Oh, his racist ass. Oh fuck that nigga. Oh yeah, that nigga wanted to get him. That nigga wanted to get him. He said, you know what that is. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, take that nigga off the force. That nigga bad for business. Fuck that.
Yes, my phone.
No.
Bro, they some dickheads, bro.
Are you on the phone with your mom? Friend?
Sister.
Sister, okay. Your hand in here.
That was some bullshit.
4783, like, blackmail passengers, the ones that stink, you're on a criminal history, and I'm looking for felonies. Is this your brother or anything? Friend? Acquaintance? Boyfriend? Okay. Not right now. Just, I mean, she's got a right to get out right there in that parking lot. But as far as coming over here, she needs to hold up right now. Hold it.
Stay over there. Do you have a test kit available?
We'll give us a second. You talk to you, I promise you.
Hey, can I get your number? Can you write me down your numbers?
All right now.
Regina, I need your number.
So we pulled him out. He had a loaded handgun in his waistband. He's not old enough to have a handgun. He's also got what looks like crack in his pocket and a bunch of weed in his pocket.
Crack?
Ski mask and gloves.
Damn,
Those
that's
look
hard.
super good. Okay.
I'm just wondering, what gave y'all the car to bother you? You already started off a trap. This is a traffic stop, so I know my rights. I'm just saying, what did y'all bother me for? Because I'm just need everything from Karen.
Because the car smells like marijuana.
Okay,
We're pulling you and her out of it to go search it because it smells like marijuana. And when you stepped out, that deputy noticed you had a handgun stuffed in your waistband or pocket or whatever, and that's why you're putting handcuffs. Okay?
Like, honestly, none of anything that would or can be in the car is not my sister's problem. She was just the driver.
And she's not in trouble for anything other than she's probably gonna get a ticket for her driver's license. That's it.
Do me a favor and have a seat.
Make sure you got nothing else on me.
I ain't got nothing on
So they cuffed him before they found out his age. They should have searched him, asked him how old he was first. They just assumed on some bullshit. Like that's the shit the police be on, bro. He's saying like even if like okay, like he had a gun, like cool, like but nigga, like you could at least pat the nigga down and ask him how old he was before police. Like Fast Brigade is there, bro. I'm telling you. That nigga be ass.
With all points in the two.
Weird.
And he has gloves and a ski mask.
I'll let him be there, I'm just saying.
I didn't know man. Huh?
What are you doing?
Get that over here.
Please train her.
Listen, shut up.
No, listen, you're not gonna be talking to anybody. Quit beating on the windows, okay?
It's bullshit.
You got gloves with you?